Sorry guys, I started that job yesterday, but it wasn't done because the place was closed. I realized that the fridge is not cooling. So yesterday I went and checked, it was full of ice. If I take this off,
I want you to come back. Turn it off, please. Turn it off, please.
you can see this. Now you can see that the way it is, it's like all the ice already melted. So what I use the heat gun. I use the heat gun so I can defrost the ice. It's already melted, so there's a rubber on the bottom, so I gotta take everything off. I forgot to start the video. There you go.
We need to know that Sophie is alive. Sophie, this is Agent Pops. Remember the FBI up here with your Sophie, are you okay?
You can see right there, this is the defrost thermostat.
Sophie,
I just put it
where can we go after dinner?
because the place was closed yesterday, so this is the one. The other one, the first one, is not good, so I cut it off. I changed it. I just put that one. I put this one. This is the defrost thermostat. It's because the ice melted. That's it's not working. We keep all the ice here, and the freezer is not working anymore. It's getting warm. So that's what I did. I just changed it. I put a new one.
Give me a ride at the call. Rock Creek Park. I went to Rock Creek Park.
Going right there.
That was her.
There. The water is dropping. But it was full of ice. I just put this down so you can hold the water. Okay. It's already, I already changed it. You can see there's no ice, nothing. It's not working. It's getting warm. No ice. Nothing. Now I put a new one. I'm gonna just set up everything back.
It was Ben, all right? It was my brother. You were right all along. Why so reluctant to say it?
Are you embarrassed? He didn't bail you out again?
He didn't bail.
Use this.
You think he's such a saint, don't you? He's got you all fooled, doesn't he? The golden boy with his perfect face. So what did you really want to know? Shut me up about the engine he's been screwing.
That's it. Okay.
What is that with it? I'm sure it's not an IED. Those are Sophie's. I bought them for our anniversary.
set. Now I can plug it. I plug it. Then don't forget to leave a comment and like the video, guys. Thank you.